Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Crazy Art. In this video we're going to be learning how to remove watermarks or objects. So firstly, select an object. I have selected this car right here. Now equip your lasso tool, find an object, as I will here. I'll select the windscreen. As you have done that, right click, content where fill. Or you could go edit, fill, then it'll come up with this page. Go to contents, content aware, opacity 100 and press OK. As this loads, it will fill it in with what it likes. As you see, done. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.